If you're wondering what else can be done for polished concrete, here are some ideas you might want to consider. The gray color of plain concrete is greatly admired by floor owners who are looking for more contemporary or industrial-like aesthetics. There are many different types of sealers that can be applied on plain polished concrete. Floor owners can opt for matte sealers or those with high gloss shine. While plain polished floors look good on their own, one ideal way of coloring concrete is staining. A polished concrete floor is stained to give it that dramatic touch of color without being too intense. Acid stains are great to use if you want unique effects that cannot be replicated. Dyes create more vibrant colors than that of acid stains. This is great for use on floors that need to feature specific designs or patterns, such as flowers.